Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to remotely control two servos into axis, one servo for one axis, bigger servo for the second axis. This is controlled remotely with Microzone 8B Mini remote controller that sends signal to the Microzone MC8RE receiver, which is connected via hardware inverter to the ESP32 board. The SBUS signal is going through this inverter according to the documentation of the receiver, and the board is programmed with Arduino IDE. I will share code at the end of the video and in the description. Here we have two power supplies, one 24-volt power supply for the stronger servo, one 9-volt power supply that goes to the voltage regulator that converts it to 5-volt power supply, which powers weaker servo and the ESP32 board. And now I'm going to show you how it works. So up, down, left, down, right, up, left, left, right, and sample in the middle. And it works. So here we have the source code, which is not too big. The biggest part is this class, which receives input and controls the servo. It has got few configuration parameters, pin for the servo, minimum and maximum for the input, minimum and maximum angle that should be written to servo, and servo configuration, the PWM values for the minimum and maximum. Technically this step is not needed, and just a flag to reverse the direction. As we have smoothing, we initialize this to the middle, so we center it by default. This is setup code to attach the servo. On each update, we update the slot with the new input and increment the value. If it index overflows the number of samples, we go to the 0. Here we average these values from the past number of samples inputs, and this can be optimized if wanted. Here we clamp the average input, and here we can put the angle based if direction is reversed or not. And when this angle is computed, we write it to the servo. Here is the setup for the sketch. We have one SBUS on the serial 2, MC8RE data, 2 axis controls, and mapping of channels. In the setup, we begin SBUS communication and attach axis controls, servos. In the loop, we always read the new data from the MC8RE SBUS and update both axes. In production environment, you should handle edge cases like failsafe and if the data fails to be read. And that's all. Thank you for watching.